Exactly the same thing.
Take it off.
China cleared.
Go.
Gear up. Flaps up.
F-15 is such a good plane. It's still the best value out of the whole thing. You get so much for so, you know, you get so much.
Huh?
You get so much. You know, that's the only plane where you get all the lights, the air brake, all the scale detail.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Doing a fast one. That thing's quick.
It's not bad.
I didn't get a good run, but you were still there with me. Considering the size of that plane, I got moving on that one, but considering the size of that plane, that thing moves.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Sneak pass. We were in sync with the throttle too.
Yeah.
Yeah, you did.
Trying to get that to like
30 seconds.
That's that sound I love about the F-15. It makes that hollow, strange sound, part throttle.
Ten, nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Whoa.
1. Time expired.
I hear it. Woo! Right at the camera. That was perfect. I'm coming in right now.
Gear down.
I'm not gonna hit flaps till I'm on the base leg because I know the battery's low. Not hitting flaps at all because I think I'm out. I think I toasted that battery.
Huh?
I think I might have toasted that battery.
Shit, coming in right now.
Come on. You'll be clear. I think this battery's going in the freezer. It's another thing I love about that plane, the way it comes in. Whoa. You just lower the throttle and it just sinks.
Yeah.
Ouch.
I was practicing that today with the Tiger truck. It's
Mhm.
neat. You just sync rate exactly the way you
Right,
want it.
and then just throttle up a little bit.
I find it works best with. Maybe I'm just not used to it. Little elevator.
hold it, yeah.
Throttle,
Just hold it,
go up
yeah.
and down.
And then your throttle's what's controlling. The elevator holds the attitude, and the throttle controls the altitude. Looks good.
Throttle cut.
Yeah, see my burner? But you can't see it really, but
Because it's white and, but that's how it's supposed to be.
that's how it's supposed to look. But the real one's like this.
1 minute over.
But you can't really see it during the day.
Holy shit.
What is it? 145?
Yeah.
Better get that out. Throw that in the freezer.